Okay, when we're solving systems by substitution, and we're going to do number 7, and the problem we're given is 8x minus y equals 19, and negative 4x plus 2y equals negative 2. So when we're solving systems by substitution, what we want to get is either x equals or y equals. So in this situation, which one is easier to get something equal? The first one? So we're going to add negative 8x to both sides. So we're going to get negative y equals negative 8x plus 19. Everybody see how that ended up happening? I just added negative 8x to both sides. We still don't have only y, do we? What do we have to do to get y by itself so we can use it for substitution? What do we need to do still? Divide or multiply by what? Negative 1. I'm going to multiply by negative 1 because it's a lot easier to see. I just, negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. So now I have y equal to 8x plus negative 19 or minus 19. Okay, and that's not real clear, so I'm going to make it with a darker pen. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the second equation, which is negative 4x plus 2, and I'm going to substitute y, so I'm going to put big parentheses in here, equals negative 2. And what did we say y equals? 8x minus 19, because that's what we determined y equaled here. We just put it in parentheses. It's important that you put it in parentheses because the distributive property holds. Meaning you've got to use the distributive property if you're substituting. And there's multiple terms. Okay? So go ahead and apply the distributive property. Negative 4x plus, what's 2 times 8x? 16x. 2 times negative 19. Negative 38 equals negative 2. The next step we're going to do is combine like terms. Negative 4x and positive 16.
Positive
12x. And then copy the rest of the equation. Okay? Now, what do we want to do? Isolate the variable expression. So what are we going to, how are we going to do that? Who do we want on its side all by itself? We want the 12x by itself. We'll get x by itself in a minute. So what do we add to both sides?
Positive 38.
So positive 38, because we want its opposite. So now we have 12x by itself equals 36. Now how are we going to get the variable isolated or by itself? Divide by 12 on both sides. So x equals, how many 12s in 36?
3. Oh wait, 3.
3. So now we know x equals 3. So what we're going to do is go back to the 2 original equations. Don't go back to the one that you created. Go back to one of the original equations, and it doesn't matter which one, because remember with systems we're finding the point of intersection. So the point we're finding belongs to both equations. And we can put x in either one. Would you like to do A or B? B? Okay. So negative 4, again I put parentheses here. X is 3 plus 2y equals negative 2. Negative 4 times 3? Negative 12 plus 2y equals negative 2. Now we're just solving. Let's add 12 to both sides. 2y equals 10. y equals 5, and our coordinate is 3, 5, and you've got it.